I love having bread for breakfast in the morning, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make egg in a hole, and it's quite easy and delicious. So with minimal ingredients, you're going to make this recipe in a matter of minutes. So over here I have my bread, 3 eggs, salt and pepper for seasoning, cooking oil. You can also use butter if you have some. So I'm going to place a small pot over medium low flame, add a little bit of oil. As the pan is getting hot, I'm going to be picking up my bread. I'm using white bread. You can use any bread that you have in the house. Use a cookie cutter and cut the middle part of the bread. Transfer my slice of bread on my pan. Toast the bread for around 30 seconds to 1 minute, or until the bread is golden brown on the bottom part. While toasting the bread, you're going to reduce the flames to low. Flip my bread, and then I'm going to add a little bit of oil in the middle and crack in 1 egg carefully. As the egg is cooking, I'm going to be adding some seasoning. So I'm going to add in some salt and some black pepper. This is how it's looking. I'll flip. So you're going to cook your egg according to your own preference. If you love your egg a little bit runny, you can do that. Mine has to be well cooked, but I'm going to show you one where the egg is a little bit runny. My first slice is ready. Just look at that. Gorgeous. Pick another bread. Cut in the middle. I love to use a cookie cutter when cutting out the bread because it helps me remove the middle part easily. If you don't have the cookie cutter, you can also use a glass or anything round. Check on my bread. This smells absolutely amazing. And it's quite fun if you have some kids. You can let them help you make this egg in a hole breakfast. Flip my bread. Crack in an egg, add in some salt and some black pepper. Move the bread around a little bit just to make sure that the bread is not stuck. This is my second piece of bread. Looks very nice and delicious. Oil my pan a little bit. Place in my bread. When my bread is ready, I'm going to flip. Nice. Add in a little bit of oil and crack in my egg. If you love runny eggs, after adding the egg, you're going to cook until the egg whites are set and the yolk is still runny. This is how my bread is looking, and my semi-runny egg is ready. I'm also going to be toasting the middle part of the bread because you don't want to waste any bread. So this egg in a hole is perfect for kids because it's quite catchy. Kids will be very excited, or you can serve for brunch on a Saturday or a Sunday. Flip my bread. The good thing about this egg in a hole recipe is that it's budget friendly and it's quite easy. You can even make this on a weekday before you go to work, and it's still going to be around 10 minutes of making this egg in a hole. So I hope you give this egg in a hole recipe a try, and trust me, you'll love the outcome.